What is going on, Zombie Mob? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Zombie Inu and some fantastic updates for one of my favorite crypto assets in the market. Now remember, I always like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor, but rather I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, Xenu is one of my personal favorite holdings. As you guys can see, Xenu's actually sliding up a little bit today. We're seeing a couple green candles on the 4-hour. Looks like the last pretty much, what is that, 12 hours or so, Xenu has been on an uptrend. And there are some reasons for that. And of course, overall, if you look at the price action, after a significant sell-off, we are holding strong. And I always like to tell people, although the crypto market is undergoing a correction right now, there's always going to be opportunities for new assets that are launching that will provide huge upside potential. So again, I always mention the link in the description below for Patreon. Consider joining the Patreon if you want to get in on my buy alerts. And if in addition, get your 5 free stocks with Mumu once you deposit $100 into your trading account. So what's going on with Xenu? First and foremost, looks like some marketing is going on. You guys can see one of their Xenu hoodies was on Young MA, which is a pretty big, she's in the rap industry. She works closely with Jay-Z and his team. So again, a huge shout out to Young MA rocking the Xenu hoodie. In addition, Las Vegas CES. Xenu is present at the conference. And if you guys don't know what CES is, you guys can see a little bit more information about it. Over 2,200 exhibitors are confirmed to exhibit in person at CES 2022. In the last 2 weeks, 143 additional companies have signed up to exhibit in person. And what Xenu is currently doing at CES is talent acquisition. They're looking for more big names to add to their arsenal on their team. So again, coming from the crypto perspective, there's still a lot of room for growth, but the fact that they've created the business entity, I just become more and more bullish on Xenu each and every day. And of course, you guys know with the Zombieverse coming, they officially name branded their holdings Zombieverse LLC instead of Zombie Inu LLC. But again, guys, the team is already big. They got some really massive things on the way. And I just want to make sure that people are aware of the opportunities. You guys can see Xenu is checking in, standing in line at the airport. Oh man, getting ready to board, getting on the flight. You guys got to admit, the marketing on the Xenu's campaign and their team is absolutely phenomenal. Everybody's falling in love with this character. And honestly, it's going to be something huge. I do say it time and time again. Checking it at the hotel. You can see Xenu at the lobby with his luggage bag. You guys got to admit, what's happening here is fun in terms of the animations, but also the use case, the smart contract scanner that's coming, the DEX that they're creating, right? The staking platform, the Zombie Den, which is going to be basically the Facebook of crypto. Time and time again, I have to ensure that you guys are up to date with Zombie Inu. Love this team a lot. A lot of my Discord members in the Patreon group are invested in Xenu, and they're really happy with the gains because we're up, I think still right now after the correction, we're still looking at over a 10x so far, up over 1,000% from our initial investment. And I do believe that this is a token that's going to be worth billions and billions in terms of their market cap very, very soon. As long as the overall market does well, I think that Xenu is going to be one of the big players that's going to do well overall. So again, keep this one on the radar. Currently at a $94 million market cap. I do believe it's going to be a multi-billion-dollar asset. And again, I just always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, Xenu is one of those that has showed a lot of resilience. And that's the kind of thing that I like seeing on their chart. I think, again, as they continue to push out more marketing and what they're doing, it's kind of a no-brainer for me that this is a fantastic opportunity. But do your research, do your own due diligence, and only invest money that you're willing to lose, or else you're not able to stomach volatility. Then you'll sell for a loss and you'll come right back here crying to all of us and saying, man, I didn't know what I was doing. Because guess what? Whatever comes down must come up, and whatever goes up will slightly correct here and there. I appreciate everybody's love and support. Make sure you smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel if you're a fan of Zombie Inu. But if not, do your research. The link in the description below to their website is right there. Go check it out. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.